Today we're here at Northeast Custom. Let's get this party started. So let's start the video off with these hard hitters. We have two Lamborghini STOs, crazy spec. This is very uncommon. These are like my favorite Lamborghinis, aside from the Veneno, of course. We also have this green spec over here with a GTR, purple GTR. This is pretty dope, and a Viper right next to it. Super sick lineup already, and this is just the front. If you guys have never seen this car before, this is an absolutely crazy build. An R8 on bags. Actually, this is all a part of the Zarate collection. All three of their cars are super low on bags. We have the Supra, the Liberty Walk Supra at that. This body kit is completely insane. Super wide, super low, very bold wheels. This is crazy. This really nice wing. Look how crazy this looks on the back. This looks like a rocket. And then we have the infamous Lamborghini Huracan. This thing is on bags and also a Liberty Walk kit. As you can tell, super insane kit, super wide, crazy diffuser with the matching wheels, and I even like how they have the matching tips as well. This is an absolutely insane car. Probably one of the best Lamborghini Huracans in San Antonio. Check out the interior, everything is matching. The front end is absolutely sick. I mean, look at this. Look at that. Man, that is low. I also like the wing on the R8 here because it's kind of sleek. It's not like crazy high in the air. It goes very nice with the trunk lid. Very cool. But yeah, that concludes the Zarate collection, which is pretty awesome. And they're like a car family, which is pretty cool. The mom, dad, and the son are all car people. This thing is pretty sick too. It looks like a wrap, and the wheels to match, they kind of have like a blue hue to it. That's pretty dope. Let's go ahead and step inside and check out what we're really here for, which is the CALVO VIPERS. Yes, you heard it right. And first we have another Lamborghini Huracan. This, I believe, is a Performante. Let me tell you something. Nobody can beat Lamborghini colors, especially the orange. This orange is absolutely crazy. What do you think about this orange? You can see the metallic, the pearl. I mean, it's just a nice balance of different things that combine into the paint that just makes it absolutely crazy. Buonissimo. Carbon fiber wing, we have the forged carbon fiber. I believe that is from the factory. That's an option. The brace, carbon fiber diffuser. I don't think I've ever seen this diffuser before, but I really do like it. And then if you think that things couldn't get crazier, we have an all white Supra here. Absolutely beautiful. If I can get it to focus here. Yes, sir. And then a Nissan GTR. Here's one of the CALVO Vipers. This, I believe, is twin turbo. Yes, sir. Twin turbo. Crazy build. For those that don't know about CALVO Vipers, these Vipers push up to like 3,000 wheel horsepower. These cars are no joke. And we have a couple over there that look insane. Here's another one with the crazy arrow. We have a diffuser here, the canard, the vent, the crazy hood. That's from factory. Huge wings. These wings are insane. Look at the monstrosity. The camera can't even picture it really. This is pretty big. These are absolute legends. Probably my favorite aside from the third gen. I really like the second gen. The third gens are really nice because they actually took a lot from this and just kind of kept that classic look. We have a beautiful green Gallardo. This is very nice. I'm telling you guys, you cannot beat Lamborghini colors. This one also has like that pearl metallic feel to it. You can see it right here, but the camera really doesn't do it justice because it's adjusting to the lighting in here. And when you lay eyes on these things in person, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Beautiful car. And here we go. This one is probably my favorite out of the 5 that are here. This one has the black on black combination. Black is my favorite color, but it also has that monstrous wing, the lip, the canards, the hood car, and it also has like red little accents and details, which kind of matches my Cobra as well. And then we have this monster over here. Bam! You know that when it has this kind of setup right here, that yeah, it does not play. Also a parachute for maximum stopping power. These cars have exhaust coming out from the side, but they actually moved it right here to the front side, which is pretty interesting. I don't know very much about this particular car, so you're gonna have to excuse me, but you can tell that this is set up for like more drag style racing because it doesn't have like all the aero that the other cars had. And like this one, this is a crazy spec. This looks to me more like a show car. All the gray and black and red accents. This has, the stripe actually has like a metallic to it, which is pretty cool. Carbon fiber wing with the stripe. Just very nice little details and color combination here with this Viper. Here we have a nice GTR. That doesn't belong there. Anyways, yeah, we have a nice, beautiful GTR lineup. We'll be doing a video on this car soon. The owner is very cool. I've met this guy before, but this has, I believe, like 800 wheel horsepower, and it also has the rear wheels. Look how clean this engine bay is. I don't want to touch too much on this car because we will be getting into depth with this car very soon. R33, one of my favorite cars of all time. The Skyline, all the Skyline generations are pretty much my favorite. Ferrari. This Ferrari is dope. The thing about Ferraris is they're fairly simple, but they're beautiful. They're like pieces of artwork that are simplified, but the design goes real nice and smooth. And I'm more of a Lamborghini guy, but I do love Ferraris. And this car, you know, you can't go wrong with the Ferrari red. You at least like the Ferrari? No, not really, no. Okay. I mean, what is your favorite car here so far? You don't know the names of them. What color? I don't know. This guy, I don't know. This guy here, this guy. Anyways, we have a crazy R8. This is, I've never seen anything like this ever. Don't know if this is a wrap or not, but I have never seen so much forged carbon on a car ever before. And to be quite honest, it looks sick. Like, we have the louvers here, we have the vent fenders, all the accents on the bumper are carbon fiber. Basically anything that would be plastic has been converted to forged carbon fiber. Even the canard here, the mirrors, even the quarter, you know, intake panel deal here, everything that would be typically plastic is carbon fiber. Even down to the fascia, the rear fascia, the diffuser. Literally, I mean, everything is forged carbon fiber. Check out that engine with the blue brace to match. Yeah, very nice, well put together car. And we have the F12 Berlinetta. You like this one? I have to leave this guy here. Anyways, we have the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. I'm having a hard time, you know, saying that and pronouncing that, but these cars sound absolutely insane. Especially, I mean, they sound crazy with a factory exhaust. Imagine if you put like a straight pipe on here. If you guys watched your Stradman, he used to have, I don't know if it was a Berlinetta, but he used to have one straight pipe and it sounds crazy. Most times on video you can't capture how loud these cars are, but when this dude was revving it on his channel, yeah, you can tell that this thing blows eardrums out. So again, beautiful car, probably one of my favorite Ferraris, honestly. It's probably the ultimate like daily work car, this car right here. Yeah, that's the ultimate play right here. This 33 is pretty dope because it has the headlight insert to transfer air, all carbon fiber, big turbo. I love the paint on the valve cover. That looks absolutely crazy. Look at how it is. It kind of changes colors a little bit. Yeah, super dope. And also the wheels, check this out. Typical, right? But bam, carbon fiber on the lip. These wheels are so badass. And we have the matching brake caliper, same as the engine cover, the valve cover, which is pretty cool. Nice little clean setup here with this GTR. Insane super. You can tell kind of me, it has like actually a pretty crazy wheel setup because it has nice drag pack here. It's nice and subtle, but when you really look at it and you pay attention, you're like, huh, this car is probably pushing a lot. I mean, this looks like a 5-inch exhaust tip right there. So that doesn't say enough. And the beautiful white GTR with the crazy well setup all the way around too as well. You really can't go wrong with a GTR. These cars are what, like 12, 15 years old. I don't know how old they are now, but these cars still look amazing when you see them. They don't really get old, so you can kind of, you know, you can't blame Nissan for continuing with this style and all that, but it is time to move on. But still, nonetheless, you see these cars in person, they still look very good, very modern. Definitely ahead of their time. And then we have a 2003 Terminator Cobra. You don't really ever see these very often, and I haven't seen one of these in a very long time. All factory minus the wheels. And I'm completely kidding, this is my car. But what you don't really see too often are the Evo. These are beautiful. This is a very clean, simple setup. I absolutely love it. This color you don't really see very often as well. They're usually wrapped, or the desired color is the blue. I see a lot of the red and the darker gray one. So this particular color, which I don't know what it's called, but you don't really see very often. All right, to be quite honest, my favorite car out of all the cars here, minus the STO, I'm gonna have to go with this beautiful car. I just love color, wheel combination, simple, yet small little details they added to it that just makes it, it's just my taste. It's just my taste. So check this GTR out. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. I love these wheels. If I had a GTR, the Advanced GTs is what I would put on this car. And look at this color. Look at this color. You don't ever see this, which looks really good with the black. And also this front lip is really nice and subtle. This is a beautiful car. It's really the color that sets it all off. I've never seen this color before. Really, really nice color. And it also has the factory spoiler. I love the factory spoiler, I'm sorry. And then we have a lip here at the end of the bumper. This is an absolutely badass car. Probably my favorite here. Anyways guys, we're gonna go ahead and take off. If you need any work here in San Antonio, Northeast Custom is probably one of the best shops you can take your car to have body work, paint work, anything you need done. Come check these guys out, great people. Northeast Custom here in San Antonio. Finally, this guy comes around. He finally points out a car and check what it is. Pretty much. Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, so this is a Corvette that's being worked on, obviously, but caught his eye. Finally came around, guys. He finally came around. And this car too is pretty insane. The color, the wrap on this car is crazy with the yellow headlights. This car actually took a lot of inspiration from the Lexus LFA, including like the way the dashboard and everything was or is. So it's pretty crazy that this is a predecessor of the LFA. Okay, something going on here. Hold up, we can't leave just yet. He was teasing. Badass car. Damn. So lately I have been getting private messages raising concern on the Hades Cobra, and to keep it short and sweet, I'm not gonna get rid of the car, but things really aren't looking good for the build. So that's a different story for a different video. I still have the catfish outside, but yeah guys, it's just one of those things. Nonetheless, I have been enjoying myself, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the content at these car events, car meets. Huge shout out to Euro House, who has the best car meets in San Antonio. So shout out to Nate for putting all that stuff together. One of my favorite meets at any event that he hosts. Anyways guys, that's gonna end today's video. If you enjoyed it, you know exactly what to do. And remember, be motivated, stay drift.